Will the government lift the ongoing countrywide curfew when it expires at midnight tonight? Well, this is a question among Kenyans as the 60-day curfew imposed on April the 14th comes to an end. The government is expected to review the COVID-19 protocols today or tomorrow, with many Kenyans praying that the curfew is lifted to ease the economic burden caused by the curfew. The review will be coming at a time when the rate of infections is oscillating between 5 and 10% above what is recommended by the World Health Organization. Shadrach Miti reports.
The effects of COVID-19 pandemic continue to be felt. If a family has not lost a loved one, there is at least a friend or an individual who lost their job due to restrictions, which saw many businesses scale down their operations, or worse of all, close shop. And at the fall of the 60-day curfew midnight, many will be waiting for an announcement by the government.
We normally have those night guests who normally come here to eat, and those also contribute to a larger percentage of our sales. And with the 10 o'clock curfew at night, we are being forced to close at around 8 or 7 p.m. so that we can also release some of our staffs to go home early so that they don't also get locked out by the curfew. So we are really hoping that the 10 p.m. curfew will be lifted so that we can be able to attend to all guests, the night and the day guests as well.
According to the Gazette notice of April 14th, 2021, the extension of the curfew by a further 60 days was informed by the need to manage the third wave of the coronavirus. Originally, the 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. curfew in the rest of the country and the 8 p.m. to 4 a.m. curfew for the 5 counties of Nairobi, Kajiado, Machakos, Kiambu and Nakuru, which had been designated as a disease-infested zone, was to be reviewed on May 29th. But in his Labor Day celebration speech, President Uhuru Kenyatta declared a review by lifting the 8 p.m. to 4 a.m. curfew in the 5 counties, besides easing some more measures. Incidentally, the expiry of the 60-day curfew is coming amid warnings of a possible fourth wave of infections.
COVID is here with us, definitely. And it's not going away right now. All the government can do right now is just try and help the citizens so that they can be able to sustain themselves, sustain their families. And we believe that they should look for better ways on how we can be able to fight this disease, increase the vaccine so that everyone in the country is vaccinated.
The third wave of the virus began in late January, resulting in an increased number of hospitalizations, which in effect led President Uhuru Kenyatta to issue a raft of measures meant to curb the spread. Key among the measures declared by the president was a ban on all political and social gatherings. And according to the Interior Ministry's Gazette notice of April 14th, 2021, the ban on political gatherings was also extended for a further 60 days. It is therefore expected that should the government publish a new Gazette notice, it will either issue more restrictions or ease the existing restrictions. Businesses, churches, schools and public transport vehicles will also be watching with a keen eye of expectations. Shadrach Miti, KT News.
And still on matters health, experts say we are not